Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Please, if today is the first time you're coming across this channel, subscribe. So today we're going to be doing retightening of sister lock. It's 5 weeks already since we make this, so she's retightening it today. So this is how we do the retightening. So we have only this 3 left. All these are done, as you can see. So I'm going to be showing you. You just have to do the same process of locking. This is to the left, back, and this is to the right, and to the front. Left, back, right. See, now we're supposed to go to the front, but because it's the last one, so the last one always have to end at the back. So you bring it to the back, so everything stays so. Back, left. Now we're coming to the front, to the back. It have to end at the back, so you have to know when is the last pass, so you can just bring it down. So this is it, guys. We'll finish and we relock 5 hours. Yeah, so this is it. 5 weeks and relocking, retightening sister lock. We're done. Thank you. So guys, we're gonna be doing simple style with the sister lock. Simple style, fast and simple. So we're gonna be having few cornrows of a sister lock here. So just like this, not tight, very soft, very loose. So and when you get to the end, you don't have to braid the ends, you just stop. The ends have to be loose, and you just put elastic on it, whatever one you want. So just 1 time or 2 times, finish. So see, they on it. So again, so just few braids, what you want. You can do it from the side, how many you want and how big you want it or small you want it. So I'm going to be doing it again, same thing, starting from the here. So, and you have to be very easy, very loose, not tight, very loose, like this, going back. So it's just a normal cornrow. See, back. So we are the end again. You have to stop and just pass elastic on it like this. Done. And this one is going to be 2. So again, you start at the front. As you can see, I don't have other one, so like this, goes so very soft. Easy, easy. Continue. You just have to make sure you are picking everything along as you're going. So see, this is not good. I missed one, so you just have to retrace, come back. So slowly, gradually. So now it's loose. I'm gonna do it again. So just the normal way you can roll your braids. So continue. Now this is good. Continue. Almost. So I'm stopping here. So, and we're done. We have one more to go. This is it, see guys? So this is the last one. So the same way, just cornrow. So make sure you take everything along. So this is good. It must be very loose. If not, it can be painful because we just finished retightening. And don't forget the elastic, the rubber band, 2 times or 1 time, what you want. So this is the elastic we use. So finish, this is it. So now I'm going to just lose the end from the elastic. So when you're ready to lose it, you just only have to take the elastic out and you lose your head. So this is it, guys. Simple style with dreadlocks.